Allez, tiens-moi comme tout.
Come, it's who first laugh out.
Brava Bichette, le premier qui rira aura une tapette. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Mama, you're a mess.
Hey, pretty. Hey, princess. You are looking so lovely. Look here. Look at mama. Look here. Say good morning. Good morning. How are you? Say hello. Look at her. Hi Faze, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new, beautiful, sunny, hot day here in Nice and we are heading out today. You guys, I'm rocking my new African Fabs head wrap and this, headband. And this earring is also from African Fabs. You guys have seen me in this earring so many times. Anyway, it's a brand new day and we're heading out. We have errands to go and run today and supermarket shopping to go and do. So are you guys ready to go on the road with us? Because I'm ready and I need to take all these braids out my hair hopefully today, fingers crossed. If not today, then tomorrow. But honey child, when the time comes, we'll figure it out. Say good morning, husband.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Yes, it's a brand new day. It's the weekend.
So why are you talking like crabbies in your throat?
Because I'm like you. I watched Rambo yesterday on TV, so that's why.
You're too funny.
We have a lot to do today. It's gonna be a full
afternoon.
Hopefully we can achieve what we want to. So yeah.
Are you ready? Because I'm ready. And if it's your first time to the fam bam, be sure to subscribe and catch and keep up with us. And turn on your notification bell. That way you don't miss an upload. We forgot someone. Who did we forget?
Tyler.
So you say?
Hello, Faith.
Mama. That's what you to say. That's your signature.
Mama, like.
Say wagwan.
Wagwan, me day me going to a supermarket.
No,
Mama.
me there am yard.
Mama.
Yes, sir.
This arm like this. And hold it hard and good balance on it.
Oh no, I'm not that strong. No. Anyway, you guys, look at Tyler's shirt. Tyler's shirt says Little Smaddy. This shirt is from...
No, yours is Little Smaddy. Because your little and I'm almost bigger than you. And that means if I'm almost bigger than you, Sarah is almost bigger than you.
Almost never?
And she...
Almost never what? Never counts. So you're the Little Smaddy. This shirt is from Elite Jamaicans Art. Tyler start doing track at school and Tyler need a new track shoes. So So we're at the store trying to find Tyler a new track shoes. You guys, look at my cute mask. It's also from African Fabs. You guys should definitely go and check out African Fabs. They have the coolest things over there. Mask is so comfortable. Mama? Run, let me see.
No, don't run.
I mean, just do some run on the spot.
Voilà.
How you feel?
Let's go.
Hear this one, but let's go. Let's go. Run. Let's go. Alright, so we got shorts for Ty. And we got shirt for Ty. Oh, we're gonna have to buy my pants eventually. For winter, you wanna come back or you wanna get it now? €5 for it if you find him size.
Papa, qu'est-ce que tu mets ici?
Leave it, leave it, yes. Track session. Babe looking for long pants for winter time. They have the black too, babe. Oh, but the black is thin. See in there, put it beside. Put it beside him and see. Tell her stop tipping. Oh yeah.
The other one is much bigger than this.
My youth.
Wag,
my youth.
Papa, stop telling my scene. Tell your own scene.
No, but you have to answer me if I'm telling you Wagwan my youth. What
Yeah,
you
but
answer
he's
me?
trying to tell you that it's him supposed to say Wagwan my
And
youth.
it's not
Wagwan little smaddy.
No, you can choose another language, but not Jamaican patois.
Okay, I have to choose another language than Jamaican patois.
Yes, and
Which language should I choose? Chinese patois?
yes.
Alright, supermarket
The
patois.
Foolery is back. I know you guys miss this kind of babe.
Patois.
We
Smaddy, allez, allez. 1, 2, 3.
Anyway, you
What,
guys.
my youth, they are paliad.
No, they,
Tyler definitely win the first prize and gonna eat a lot of spinach.
not this one.
No.
Every
Let's
spinach.
find out what we bought today at the supermarket, shall we?
Eat every
The more you talk, the more you're gonna eat it. And you're gonna eat it uncooked. Just
You guys know that
leaf
they
like
like to
this.
fight during supermarket haul,
I
right?
don't want
Babe,
it.
leave to give Tyler hell during supermarket.
I don't
We have
Tyler,
blueberry
you know he's
and
just playing.
carrots.
Don't pay him
No,
anymore.
I'm not playing.
Papa, stop telling me. Let me see.
Yeah, but the more you talk, the more you're gonna eat it. So stop talking.
Okay, let's do the supermarket haul, shall we?
He moved. The fish moved.
You guys.
They better start to sell it cooked than uncooked. I mean, how you know they're really dead?
Because it caught.
Yeah, but how you know they're already, maybe they still can be alive? They're not cooked. I saw them moving.
Give me the someone. That is alright. I can put it in your plate same way and you'll find out if it's still moving.
Yogurt.
Yogurt, you guys, Sarah's taking a nap.
You know how they do yogurt? With cheese, the same way they do cheese.
That is not
So
true.
if you like yogurt, you like cheese.
That's not true. Honey, if you do the supermarket, all this slow won't finish.
Can't fill up? No?
That's not candy.
What?
This is what. Ça, c'est de la pastèque, Mama. You say it in English, I say it in French.
Yes, we're back.
Alright, we have a green bean.
So
Oh,
they're gonna learn
I
French.
can
the
cook it.
frozen food is, I won't say back because we never really been here.
Melly's trying out a new kind of style.
Frozen food.
Yeah? Fast cooking.
Well, frozen veggies.
I've been getting a lot of frozen
So you
veggies
get-
since we got back.
Spinach.
This is Tyler kind of spinach, right, Tyler?
This is is the one that they get at school. That's the type of spinach they get at school.
Tell
I
them
remember
what it
when I
is.
was young and I used to like it too.
Tell them what is in it. Tell
Zucchini
them what is in it. Why tell her like?
this one is spinach with cream.
So I'm gonna try and cook it for the first time for Tyler because he likes it. Babe like it too?
Yes, I do.
Well,
Because
that
I like veggies. I'm a veggies boy.
he is. You guys know that we're back. Then we're on a mission, mostly focusing on Babe, and he has been doing so good for the past week. Babe workout almost every day. So we're getting there slowly but surely. He's no
Go
longer
back to your seat.
that sick, so it's time, and he's been eating very well. Just like he's been
Nobody
doing
sees.
broccoli. Tyler, there's a veggie.
Yeah. I like
They
veggies.
consider it veggie, but I don't consider potato veggie. You guys, what do you consider potato?
Nah,
Veggie or not
In
veggie?
France, they don't consider it veggies. They call it féculent, like rice or pasta. They put
Really?
it in the same category. Than
That
rice
makes
and
sense.
pasta.
I don't know why potato fall under vegetable category when you're in school and they're teaching you the different, what they would call it, different category
Pizza.
of
Pizza is
food.
veggie. There's a lot of veggie on the pizza, so I'm sure it's veggie.
That's not true.
Ratatouille. Have you guys saw the movie named Ratatouille? Is it in English you translate or you keep it
no,
Ratatouille?
it's ratatouille in English.
Okay, ratatouille is a mix of all of these
Mama?
veggies, but this is not a
something-
mix. This is a mix of veggies, but this is not any veggies. You have to be always
Specific. Oh,
the
is it?
same veggies. Oh yeah, you have
So
to be.
if all of this is not in it, it's not ratatouille.
If you add the potatoes in it, that's not a ratatouille.
That's ratatouille plus potato.
Right. So it's really a specific amount of.
And it's French,
Veggies.
right? Very French.
Yeah, you can call a ratatouille. Ratatouille. When you see the name like ratatouille,
Ratatouille.
by the spelling you can see that it's French. It's like television.
So
you
if
can
you guys
see that
don't
it's
know the
French by
movie
the
that is
spelling.
called Ratatouille, go and watch Ratatouille.
It's like sandwich. By the name you know it's not French. Sandwich.
Ah, you're not speaking.
Mama.
Yes.
Is that there's something funny about Ratatouille?
What funny?
Is that do you know how they shape at school name?
The what? The chef?
Yeah.
Ratatouille.
Yes, it's Chef Ratatouille.
Do you know that there's
About some new
a
balls.
Disney movie that named Ratatouille?
No.
Right, that's
I want to
why.
watch it.
That's you watching.
Before I finish the bed of
Spinach. No, what is this again?
Celery.
Celery. I haven't gone supermarket shopping so long that I forget the name
No,
of the
no, no,
item.
don't touch this one.
Come here, what is this one?
Coco.
I got a ball.
Kiwi.
Concombre cassé.
You bite the cucumber. Yeah, you bite the cucumber.
You put an
You
intention out.
fat. Come on.
Hello, who is there? It's Mama. Why did you break my cucumber for?
Tell them what is this in French.
Melon.
Cantaloupe.
We have cereal bar. We take 3 pack of cereal bar.
Where's the cereal
No.
bar? That's not cereal
Bio
bar.
biscuit, as usually, always the same. We like them.
Mama.
This one named Rocket. I think the English name is very close to Rocket. How you call it? Rocket?
Arugula.
Arugula. Arugula. That sounds Indian. Arugula.
Very far from the
It's
French.
Chef Arugula.
I want to add some more greens to our green juice.
That's for having a good night. She have a good night when she
Good
night with my husband.
and she drink. No, this is Bailey's. This is Irish.
Sorry, I blush.
You not blush.
Look at him blushing.
Thank you.
And these are proteins. We have chicken, we have shrimp, and more chicken. What else? Let's go.
We
Get
have
some.
carrots, we have avocado.
We're going too fast. I can't see.
You have to keep up.
So who picked this? You
Jumbo.
take a pack of 2?
Mhm.
That was intentional?
Oui.
You sure you didn't do a
Non, non,
mistake?
non, bien sûr.
We have
Parce que
orange
c'est
juice.
un dans le
Du jus
frigo.
d'orange.
Okay.
Sirop de citron.
Lemon syrup. This boy loves lemon. I don't
He
know what
loves
he
syrup.
have with lemon. Sausage.
Quinoa.
And that's another good night that's gonna come. This is a very
a lot
good.
of good nights going on around here.
That's a good one.
Roquefort. Mama,
Roquefort.
tell
No.
them information of
What do you mean Roquefort? Why you took?
Yes, I took a different one. It was intentional.
You know what is Roquefort? Do you know what is Roquefort?
crème fraîche.
No. Do you know what is Roquefort?
No.
You want me to look to you online what is Roquefort?
What is it?
Is a blue cheese, strong blue cheese. That's what is Roquefort.
No. C'est pas vrai.
Let me show you. Let me guys show you what you just take.
You guys, last week I bought one of these small boxes
And you should have kept
of
the
sauce.
same.
Because when I cook for myself, I don't cook a lot of sauce, but they like sauce. So I said, okay, instead of making sauce every time, let's just pick up a pack. And the box that I took last week.
Look at that, guys. That's Roquefort. I don't know if you see that. Yes, you can see it. That's Roquefort. So you really think that she gonna eat that?
Is that me?
Look, you really think that she gonna eat that?
Oh my
That
God.
is Roquefort.
Jesus Christ.
That is Roquefort. What do you guys understand? Is written sauce or Roquefort? Mean Roquefort sauce cook with
Crème fraîche.
crème fraiche.
Right.
What do you think it is? Crème fraiche or Roquefort sauce?
Roquefort.
No, I just think
It's
it's
just
a
cooked.
sauce with crème fraîche. So I'm saying, okay.
And look at that.
But it's the same
Look
thing I
at
did
that.
last week, honey. It's
Hold
the same
on.
thing I did last week. I just
Let them
put
look.
Does any cheese on it? No. Is there
Yes.
any cheese on it? No.
Hold on, you
There's
don't want to show.
cheese on it. Babe, come and stop wasting
You don't
time.
show.
Babe.
Look.
Babe.
Tell me, it's written three line. Tell me which
Baby.
one is the biggest
It
one.
doesn't matter. I did what I did last week. Just look at the photo and take the sauce, because I see that it goes with the meat. So I'm saying, okay.
It goes with the meat. I eat it. It goes with the meat.
Well, absolutely you'll eat it because it's blue cheese.
You eat it too because you made it.
Oh, you're bright.
No, it's a nice sauce, and I should have told her it's a nice sauce. Ah.
And I wanted to try another sauce, but I wanted to take the one without champignon this time, without mushroom.
I don't like mushroom. I like mushroom. Sarah like mushroom, so she wanted to take something without mushroom. Does that make any sense? Look, that's apple juice. Do you see written plum as apple, or do you see written something else? So that means the big thing is written apple. This is apple juice. So if it's written Roquefort, means Roquefort.
Yeah, but we don't know what it
And
is.
here in the little baby thing, there's written
Man,
water,
stop.
sugar. So is it sugar or is it apple juice?
I want to bite you.
Tyler, do that in same time with me. 1, 2, 3. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Mama, you're a mess. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
I don't want to do it. No, I don't want to do it.
Cheers. Come on.
Papa, let me do it. I already have one thing in my
What
cup
is
and
that?
I was waiting.
What is that?
Wrap.
Wrap.
Wrong with confidence.
No, what is it? Tree.
Wrap.
When the boy they come chest up, I'm gonna show you how to kick, how to make a penalty kick. Or boom! That's Tyler. Full of confidence, and full of yes. Alright, we have rice.
Tyler, that salad dressing is sauce.
It's called vinaigrette.
Sauce.
Vinaigrette.
Ghee.
Right.
And we have some
Cereals.
something else?
Yes.
Decathlon.
No. We have some gin or banana.
Banana.
peach and crepe. We find crepe this time.
Crepe.
What is that, Tyler?
Wrap.
So what's the difference between this one and that one?
This and this is wrap. It's just a different type of wrap.
Oh, you think that the mash, the juice is the juice of the wrap?
Yes.
Right, it's the juice of the.
It's the juice of the wrap. And the juice of the wrap, we put it with the salad. That's why we put wrap with the salad.
Anyway, you guys.
That's it for the supermarket haul.
No, see the catalog thing.
They already saw it from when we were in the store. Yes. Anyway, you guys, that's the end of the supermarket haul. I'm gonna go ahead and pop out these.
Allez, tiens-moi comme tout.
Come, it's who first laugh out.
Le premier qui rira aura une tapette. 1, 2, 3. No, you lost. You're better at paper, scissors than at this face.
Come, paper, scissors. Paper, scissors, go up. You and Papa, not me.
Ali.
What you playing for?
The one that you.
No. If I win, you go to bed right now. Okay? You better chill on it.
And if I win,
You still go in your room, but you can play.
No, but if I win, I get out of the kitchen and I go right away to watch TV.
No.
Yes. Yes.
Go.
Yeah. Dad! I'm going to watch TV.
He won. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys enjoy the supermarket haul. I'm going to pack them out right now with these two fools.